guys, it's Science now back here, and today we are going to be reviewing, what's it called? Let's see. Breakout Beasts. It's a dinosaur egg with slime in it, so we're going to be reviewing the slime in it. And I have a special guest, my brother Ben. Okay, sit.
Nanny!
Okay, Ben, you ready? Alright. Open it. I can never get this plastic off.
They both have slime.
Yeah.
There's two of them that have slime. This one has slime.
Okay.
I want you.
Mom, can you help me? So here we go. Ready, Brett? Whoa! Just grab it. Okay, so hold on. Let's see here. Let's open this up so we can see what character we got.
I know the blue guy.
Yeah.
Blue guy.
Benny, you open that up file. Okay.
It's the same guy.
Alright, we're about to fill this.
I know we got
gosh.
the same guy.
Okay.
Just look the same.
I'm telling you guys right now, this is not that good. Okay. Let's get this out. Oh,
This
gosh.
thing ripped.
It's okay. Alright, Ben.
We got the blue guy again.
Oh, yeah, we got that one. Okay.
We already got this guy before? Because I will build the dragon. How did we go? Yeah.
There's so much parts.
Because he canceled.
Okay, so let's just finish this up. I know there's some little pieces in there.
You already got the head out.
Yeah, but we're not going to build it right now, okay?
Oh, I want that.
Maybe at the end of it. Okay. So this is a slime. It's not good. I think it's not good because it doesn't poke. It doesn't make bubbles. It rips when you stretch it. So I'm gonna give this slime a 1 out of 10. I'm probably gonna give it a 2 because like at least it's like you can actually like play with it without it being sticky. So we're gonna go ahead and build this, I think.
I will build it.
Alright then.
I know how to build it. I know
Alright.
how to.
Next time we will talk about how to make this slime better. And we're not gonna build that, so stop. So like and subscribe. And see you guys on our next video.